This is for fall 2011 Math 115 test 3. In this video I will do number 8, number 9 and number 10. Number 8. Factorize x squared minus 5xy minus 45y squared. Now if we think about this, we can do the first part right away. X squared must be because of x and x, and because the second sign here is negative, it must be because they have different sign. Okay, now yes, we get disturbed with the y's, but if you think about that, this is actually a prototype case. If you get rid of the y's for now, in other words, let's say if we think of doing x squared minus 5x minus 45, what times what give you 45, but the difference is 5. Can you come up with any? 15 times 3, right? 9 times 5, what else? 45 times 1, of course. Okay, anything else? Is there anything, any two numbers, the product is 45, yet the difference is 5? There's nothing. Okay, and notice that nothing can, we cannot factorize this in any way. So in this case, this is not factorable. Or you can also call this prime. Now, but notice that you can't use this term non-factorable or prime if you did greatest common factor factoring, at least, for example. Now in that case you can't do that. Now let me mention a little bit further. Suppose I change the question into x squared minus 4x minus 4xy minus 45y squared. Suppose this is the question. Then we can treat that as a prototype style again. Like what times what is 45, but the difference is 4. We have seen earlier that's 9 times 5, and because I need negative, I get 9 here and 5 here, right? But if you follow this, you will get x squared minus 4x minus 45. Now how to catch the y and the y squared? How to catch this one and that one? What we will do is we put y's, extra y's here and there. Okay, that will give us x squared minus 4xy minus 45y squared. Okay, so in other words, to solve this kind of question, the first thing I will do is to think of x squared minus 4x minus 45. If you know how to factorize this, then to do that type, you insert the y here and here. Okay, that's for number 8. Number 9. Factorize 6x cubed minus 11x squared minus 10x. As we can see right away, it has common factor x. Let me take it out. So I have x times x squared minus 11x minus 10. Now our issue is, can we factorize this, the one in the grouping symbol, even further? Now the way we will do it, let's see. 6x squared minus 11x minus 10. There are two possibilities for the 6x squared, either 6x and x, or let me bring it up, or 3x 2x. And because the second sign is negative, the sign here will be different. Let me put plus minus for a while, for temporary. And then what gives us 10 there is either 1, 10, 10, 1, 2, 5, 5, 2. Those are all the possible combination, possible pairs whose product is 10. Let me copy that here also. Now, then we will go on with cancelling. Look for common factor. Now, 10, 1 here should be cancelled because 10 and 6 has common factor. 2 and 2 and 6 here has also common factor. In the second here, we can cancel this because the 10 and 2 has common factor. Of course, we can cancel this also because 2 and 2 has common factor. Now, which one will give us negative 11? Then you do one by one, right? Not this one, not this one, not this one. It's this one. Let's see. 2 and 5, it will give us negative 15 plus 4, which is negative 11. That's what we want, right? Now suppose what we get here is positive 11 instead. Then we will reverse the sign. This becomes minus, this becomes plus. Okay, this becomes minus here, and this becomes plus. If we get positive 11 and what we need is negative 11. Right now it happened to match, so we can go back there. This is equal to x times 3x plus 2, 2x minus 5. That's for number 9. Number 10, factor completely. Do we have common factor there? Yeah, we have 8. We have x as a common factor, so I take x out. I have 8x squared minus 2xy minus 3y squared. Now, just like before, I will consider this as a prototype case. So what I will do is, even though this is what I need to factorize further, in my mind, I will try to factorize this. I omit the y for a while. Okay? Let me write the shadowy y there, which we will omit for a while. Now then, for 8x squared, I'm sorry, let me use the black one. For the 8x squared, it's either 8x and x or 4x and 2x. The sign will be different. And for the 3, it's either 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. Okay, now seems like nothing we can cancel. Let's try one by one. If I try one by one, seems like this is the one word. Okay, because the outer give me negative 4, the inner give me positive 6. That will give me positive 2. But what I need is negative 2 though. Right? Negative 4 plus 6. Right? What I need is positive 2. Now how to get around to make it negative? What I will do is I change this here, becomes minus, and the one here becomes plus. Now you can check, then this becomes positive 4 minus 6. That's our negative 2. Right? Now then, so we get the factoring, the factorized form of 8x squared minus 2x minus 3. Now how to accommodate the y and the y squared here? What I will do, I insert y here and insert y here. Okay? Now, in other words, if I look back to my question, number 10 there, if I go on, then this will be 4x minus 3y, 2x plus 1y or just y. Okay? Now, this is for 2011 Math 115, Test 3, number 8, number 9, number 10.